with off-leash canine training. So this past week I had the pleasure of working with Captain Levi, also known as Levi. So he is a 1.5-year-old German Shepherd, great dog. His owner signed him up for the 1-week board and train. So come, sit, place, off, food manners, door manners, crate manners, you know, essential house things. He came to me with the owner's goals in mind, being just essentially better consistency with listening. They described that he just would be off in la la land whenever they would ask him to do something, and he wouldn't really do anything for them in the home, especially out of the home. So goals were better consistency with listening. And unfortunately, due to some camera malfunctions, I'm unable to show his before, come, sit, and place. So I'm just going to kind of talk about it. So essentially, when I would ask him to sit, sometimes he'd sit, sometimes he wouldn't sit. And if he did sit, the smallest thing would break him, like me taking one step back, he'd immediately release from that sit. With come, Levi come. If I asked him to come, he would just kind of like the owner said, he'd be off in la la land, outer space, wouldn't even acknowledge that I was asking him to come to me. And then place, didn't really seem like he had any knowledge of place. I would gesture to the cot and he would just kind of stare at it and then walk off. So those were kind of little descriptions of his before, come, sit, and place. I do have before food manners, door manners, all that. So following now is going to be everything that he was able to achieve at the end of that week.
Good sit, buddy. Good sit, Levi. Good boy. Levi, come! Good boy! Good boy! That's a good come! Good boy! Good boy! Levi, sit! Good come, good sit, Levi. That was good boy! Levi, break! Good boy! Yeah! Good job, Levi! He's a good boy! Yeah, he's a good boy!
Levi, place. Sit. Good place, good sit, good boy. Good place, good sit.
Levi, place. Good boy. Sit. Good place, good sit, buddy. Levi, place. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Levi, sit. Good sit. Good place, good sit, buddy. Good boy. Levi, break. Good boy. Yeah, good job. That's a good boy. Yeah. Levi, sit. Good sit. Good boy, good sit. Levi, break. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Good sit. Good sit. Good sit. Good sit. Levi, come. Good boy. Sit. Good come. Good sit. Good come. Good sit. Good boy. That's good boy. Sweet. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy, buddy. That's a good boy, Levi. Yeah. That's a good boy. Levi, sit. Good sit. Levi, load up. Good boy. Good load up, buddy. Good boy. Yeah, good job. Good load up. Whenever you're ready. So you kind had to do a B word, a recall, a place. Good. Good. Good reinforcement. Good job. Good job. Good job, buddy. Go ahead, put him in a sit and do another recall. Oh, dude sat, so go ahead, walk away and do a recall. Good. Good. Good job. Go ahead and big party for him. Good job. Good job, buddy. Good job, Mom.